How to fix Facebook My Day error on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps, and on apps search for Facebook. And when you open Facebook, just go to storage. Then go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will solved. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.